Hey James. So me and Matthew went to the grocery store, a parking lot, and we were talking about how we heard a sound a couple days before.
Yep.
And we both heard it, at different places at the same time. And that same night we heard that same sound. Did you hear it?
Oh yes, I did.
What'd you think of it?
It's really terrifying. I don't know where.
Wait. Did you hear it?
What? I hear it.
Get out. Oh my gosh. Do you hear it? Wow. That is the same sound from Saturday night. What do you think it could be?
Something, I don't know what it is. Sorry.
Wow.
What it is. I hope
You guys can hear it on the recording. It's so freaky. I mean, this is the same sound from Saturday night. Something must be going on. Right? Could it be the possibility? Could it be the possibility of the military?
Maybe.
Get the people from the Area 51 could be testing or something.
Yeah, I think I heard about that everywhere. People I knew.
I heard on the news that there were a couple of people, like 50 people, disappeared without a trace.
Oh yes. They're trying to all out get kidnapped. Turn away.
Yeah, I mean that's. Yeah, do you hear it? It's still going on right now.
What did they do then?
I don't know. Shoot, we need to talk to Matthew later about it.
Sure.
I think he heard it too.
Yeah, sure.
Now that sound is faint a little bit. You hear it?
It's gone away. I don't think I can hear it now.
All right. Well, we're gonna tell you about later. So we're gonna sign off now. But next time, we'll talk about later. Want to see it on the news. But this is big breaking news. Like, this is so strange. Like, 50 people has been disappeared without a trace. Like, out of nowhere. Did you hear about that?
Terrifying.
Like, 5-year-old girl would disappear, and some 15-year-old kid, and 25-year-old, and 60-year-old. Man, like, it's gone.
Hope they don't get me.
Yeah, me too. So, we keep you informed. So stay in tune. Right?
Yeah.
All right.